everyone, it's Miss Dragonfly back again, here to bring you another segment on love, relationships and life. Now, there are habits we find annoying and usually don't put up with, like snoring, farting or burping. However, when someone has nothing to offer you or impress you with, then you are going to be far less likely to accept their bad habits. This is because without something else to compensate or distract you from them, these habits then becomes what defines them to you and what you're going to remember them by. On the other hand, if people actually add value to your life or makes your life easier, like if they were to cook for you all the time or if they earned a lot of money, you are not going to be picking on their snoring and make an issue of it, as it then becomes a minor issue compared to what they can do for you. So let's be honest. It all comes down to how good a partner you have and how much value they add to your life that would determine how much their habits annoy you. For example, if Bill Gates was interested in you, you're not likely to give him the flick because of his snoring, for example. Okay, and if we're honest with ourselves, a lot of us are not will be happy to accept his snoring if that's what he came with as well. So those are my thoughts on the subject. Let me know what your thoughts are by leaving your comments below. And if you've enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to be alerted to when my next video is posted. Because while I post my videos every Wednesdays in the Asia Pacific and Tuesdays everywhere else, additional videos may be posted throughout the week. So make sure you subscribe to be alerted to when those get posted. That's all for this segment. So until next time, bye for now.